ASANO has developed a mini F1 Makoto, which is equivalent to a size of a cart. Sheer persistence brings life to each part of the machine. The ASANO craftsmanship reveals in this process. This is the production process of the mini F1 Makoto. It all started from a drawing. 3D data is formed based on this drawing. Then careful consistency confirmation is carried out through checking the composition of each part, the layout, and also the forming simulation. Carbon fiber reinforced thermoplastic is used in parts of Makoto's exterior. The mold for processing is made from ZAS tool, zinc alloy forming die by full mold casting. Based on the product data, formed styrol goes through a cutting operation. A machining center, especially for cutting formed styrol, is used for this process. Formed styrol is then placed in a mold form and then settled with sand, which contains a hardener. After the sand solidifies, ZAS mold hardens overnight with zinc alloy. The mold is made into its necessary shape when it is still in its formed styrol stage. This enables to shorten the machining time of the machining center than scraping from ingot shape. This process contributes to ASANO's quick delivery, one of the company's appealing points. With CFRTP, this special mold, along with the oil hydraulic press, makes the nose outer, air intake, main outer panel, and the seat. Makoto's main frame is made from A6063 22-5 pipe with a sheet thickness of 2 mm. This enables to lighten the frame weight and to also secure body stiffness. ASANO not only handles processing various materials, but also pipe processing using pipe benders and pipe expanding machines. Each pipe is welded using a specialized jig. Generally, when welding a pipe, the heat skews the pipe, but the work of ASANO's skilled craftsmen makes the pipe into a beautiful weld-bead product. Makoto's aluminum parts, such as chassis parts, the steering wheel, and the pedal, are made with the most advanced 5-axis machining center and the numerical controlled lathe. ASANO has proven high manufacturing performance in the areas of automobiles, motorcycles, aerospace parts used in rockets, F1 racing machines, and MotoGP. The innovating H design that describes the corporate mark can be seen on the steering. User-friendliness is also an important theme. In the center lies a Chinese character that describes the samurai sword and the name Makoto. Focusing on Makoto's exterior, nose outer, air intake, main outer panel, and the seat is made from CFRTP, which contributes to this beautiful streamline. To formulate form complexity in Z-direction products, the use of carbon fiber reinforced thermosetting plastic in an extensive facility, such as autoclave, is widely known. ASANO's achievements can be seen in its carbon fiber reinforced thermoplastic research and development, where they have overcome the difficulties of manufacturing and temperature management of this material. This outstanding huge titanium front wing and rear wing demonstrates our fine design, not to mention the aesthetic appeal of the titanium exhaust pipe. We hope that Mini F1 Makoto will illustrate our fine technology.